Welcome to this comprehensive tutorial on TSD Emulator. TSD Emulator is a high-performance concurrent bulk article generator designed to produce structured, SEO-optimized articles using remote or internal Alma APIs. With TSD Emulator, you can generate multiple articles on any topic with fine-grained control over structure, keywords, and generation parameters, all through a modern, user-friendly graphical interface. Let's dive in and explore everything this powerful tool has to offer. Here's the main interface of TSD Emulator. You'll notice it looks familiar if you've used Turbosubdomains before. The top, we have the Topics field. This is identical to the brief description field you've seen in the main TSD content automation campaigns. Enter your article topics here, separated by the pipe symbol. Below that, you'll see the Keywords field for your primary SEO keywords. Next is Secondary Keywords, where you can add additional keywords to enhance your content's SEO value. Then we have the NAP and Brand Keywords field. NAP stands for Name, Address, and Phone. These keywords help make your content more natural and locally relevant. Moving down, you'll find the Save Directory field with a Browse button. This is where TSD Emulator will save all your generated articles on your local system. Simply click Browse to select your desired output folder. Campaign or folder name field below that determines the subfolder name inside your output directory. This helps you organize your articles by campaign. Now let's look at the content structure toggles. These checkboxes give you complete control over what sections appear in your generated articles. You can enable or disable. Outline. TLDR, which stands for Too Long Didn't Read. Conclusion. Direct answer. Key takeaways. Comparison. Case study. PQ or frequently asked questions. Quick reference. And section images. Checkbox, you enable adds that corresponding section to your articles. Next to these options, you'll see the Headlines drop-down. This lets you specify the number of section headlines you want in each article. In this example, it's set to 3. At the bottom of the main interface, you'll find several important buttons. Prompts button, which we'll explore in detail shortly. The Article Manager button for viewing and managing your generated content. The WordPress Manager for connecting and publishing to your WordPress sites. Upload TSD CSV for bulk operations. CSV Builder for creating upload files. And check for updates to keep your software current. On the right side, you'll see the Settings button where you can configure your API keys and AI-related settings. Let's now explore the Prompt Management System in TSD Emulator. This is the Prompts Editor, your control center for managing all prompt sets and individual prompts. At the top, you'll see the Active Prompt Set dropdown. This contains all available prompt sets in your system. You can select any prompt set from this list to work with it. Right next to it is the Set as Default button. Click this to make your selected prompt set the default for all new article generation campaigns. Below the drop-down, you'll find 4 action buttons. The green Create New Prompt Set button lets you create custom prompt sets. We'll show you how to use this in a moment. Delete Prompt Set removes prompt sets you've created. Note that you cannot delete the built-in prompt sets that come with the application, only your custom ones. Import Prompt Set allows you to import prompt sets in JSON format. An Export Prompt Set saves your current prompt set as a JSON file for backup or sharing. Now let's look at the prompt list below. Here you'll see all the individual prompts included in the selected prompt set. These are the same prompts you've seen in the AI content prompt sets within Turbosubdomains AI settings. You'll see prompts for Direct Answer, Key Takeaways, Article Title with SEO keywords, Article Intro with SEO keywords, Section Headlines with SEO keywords, Section Content, section with SEO keywords, section with SEO and secondary keywords, section with SEO secondary and NAP keywords, Article conclusion. Article conclusion with SEO keywords. Images prompts. Section summary. TLDR or too long didn't read. Comparison. Case study. FAQ. Quick reference. Author bio. Related resources. And minimal use of these words. Editing any prompt is straightforward. Simply click on the prompt name to expand it, click inside the text area and make your changes. After making your changes, always remember to click the Save Changes button at the bottom of the window. This is important, don't skip this step. Creating a new prompt set is a very straightforward process. Click the Create New Prompt Set button. Enter a name for your new prompt set when prompted. Important note: if you encounter a failed to create prompt error, here's what to do. Close all windows of the TSD Emulator application completely. Right-click on the TSD Emulator icon. Select Run as Administrator. Then try creating your new prompt set again. This resolves any permission issues and you won't face any problems creating new prompt sets. You can easily share or back up your prompt sets using the import and export functions. When you click Export Prompt Set, your prompt set will be saved as a JSON file to your chosen location. To import a prompt set, click Import Prompt Set and select a JSON file from your computer. The prompt set will be added to your system immediately. Remember, always click Save Changes after making any modifications to prompts or prompt sets. Now that we understand the interface and prompts, let's create some articles. First, enter your topics in the Topics field. Remember, each topic should be separated by a pipe symbol which looks like this, vertical bar. Next, enter your primary keywords in the Keywords field. Add your secondary keywords in the Secondary Keywords field. Enter your campaign name in the Campaign Name field. This will create a dedicated folder inside your TSD Emulator output directory for this specific campaign. Make sure you've selected your output directory in the Save DIR field. Enable the content structure options you want by checking the appropriate boxes. Set your desired number of headlines. Once everything is configured, click the Generate and Save button at the bottom right. The TSD Emulator will immediately start creating your content. You'll see the generation progress in the Logs section at the bottom of the interface. As each article is completed, you'll see a new log entry appear with the article file name. Notice the blue Open Preview link next to each article. Click any of these links and the article will open in your default web browser, allowing you to review the generated content immediately. Let's now explore the Article Manager, your central hub for viewing and managing all generated articles. All articles created with TSD Emulator are stored as HTML files on your local system. On the left side, you'll see your folder structure. The main folder is labeled TSD Emulator Output, and beneath it, you'll see all your campaign folders. Click on any campaign folder to expand it and see all articles generated for that campaign. At the top of the Article Manager, you'll find several useful tools. The search box helps you quickly find articles related to specific terms. Just type your search term and press Enter. Next to the search box is the Filters button. Click this to filter articles based on status, prompt set used, or word count. You'll also see additional action buttons here. The Refresh button updates the article list to show any newly generated content. Batch Delete allows you to delete multiple selected articles at once. Batch Publish lets you publish multiple articles to WordPress simultaneously. Select All checks all articles in the current view. There's also a Night Mode toggle button if you prefer working in a darker interface. The main article list shows important details for each article. You'll see columns for article title, date created, prompt set used, status of the article, word count, and whether images are included or not. This gives you a complete overview of all your generated content at a glance. On the right side of the Article Manager, you'll see the Article Preview panel. This panel has two tabs. First tab, Article Content Preview, shows you the actual content of your selected article. You can scroll through and read the entire article here. The second tab, Selected Options and Metadata, displays all the generation parameters and metadata for that article. Here you can see which prompt set was used, the number of headlines, which content sections were enabled, and other configuration details. Top of the preview panel, you'll find three important action buttons. The Open in Browser button lets you view the article in your web browser. Click it, select your preferred browser from the drop-down, and the article opens in a new window. This gives you a full-screen view of how the article will look when published. Post to WordPress button is incredibly useful. If you've connected a WordPress website to TSD Emulator, clicking this button will immediately publish the article to that site. And if an article doesn't meet your expectations, simply click the Delete button to remove it from your system. Now let's explore the WordPress Manager, which allows you to connect TSD Emulator with your WordPress websites and manage your published content. The WordPress Manager has four tabs at the top: Site Configuration, Categories, Posted Articles, and Campaign Scheduler. Let's go through each one. Site Configuration. The Site Configuration tab is where you connect your WordPress website to TSD Emulator. You'll see three fields here. First, enter your WordPress site's domain name. Make sure to include the complete URL with https:// at the beginning. Next, enter your WordPress username. And finally, enter your WordPress site password or application password. Once you've entered all the information, click the Test Connection button. TSD Emulator will verify the connection and, if successful, will automatically fetch all categories and subdomains from your WordPress website. Categories tab. Categories tab shows all the categories available on your connected WordPress site. This list is automatically populated after a successful connection. You can view all category names and their details here. Posted Articles tab. Posted Articles tab displays all articles that have been published to your WordPress site through TSD Emulator. You'll see a list of all published articles with their titles and published dates. Click on any article in the list, then click the Open URL button to view that article on your live WordPress site. Campaign Scheduler tab. Campaign Scheduler tab is where you manage publishing schedules for your articles. On the left side, you'll see all your campaigns listed in the Campaigns section. Click on any campaign to see all the articles created within that campaign. On the right side, you'll find scheduling options. Use these controls to schedule when your articles should be published to WordPress. You can set specific dates and times or create a publishing schedule to spread articles out over days or weeks. This automation feature saves you tremendous time and allows you to maintain a consistent publishing schedule effortlessly. Now let's see how to use the CSV upload feature to create categories and subdomains in bulk. When you click the Upload TSD CSV button, a file browser window opens. Simply select your prepared CSV file and click Open. TSD Emulator will validate the CSV file and begin processing your bulk subdomain creation request. But wait, how do you create this CSV file? That's where the CSV Builder comes in. The CSV Builder is a powerful tool designed to simplify the creation of subdomain upload CSV files. Let me show you how to use it. First, provide your subdomain names in the SEO keywords field. You can type them directly here, separated by pipe symbols. Alternatively, if you have a large list, you can import a text file. Click the Browse button next to the SEO keywords field. Select a TXT file containing all your subdomain names separated by pipes, and they'll be loaded automatically. Next, select a prompt set from the drop-down. This prompt set will be used to generate all the content for these subdomains. Then select your language. This determines the language for generating secondary SEO keywords, brief descriptions, image keywords, and all other automated content. Now, specify the number of posts you want to create for each subdomain. and enter the number of days you want to spread these posts across. For example, if you enter 365 days and 75 posts, the system will distribute the publishing schedule evenly across that time frame. If you want to use custom NAP or brand keywords, toggle the Use Custom NAP or Brand Keywords button to enable it. You'll then see additional fields to enter your custom keywords. Similarly, if you want to use custom tags for your subdomains, toggle the Tags button and enter your desired tags. After providing all the required information, click the Start button at the bottom. The CSV Builder will begin generating your subdomain upload CSV file using all the information you've provided. You'll see progress indicators showing the generation process. When the process completes, your subdomain upload CSV file will be saved in the TSD Emulator output folder, ready to be uploaded through the main interface. And that's a complete overview of TSD Emulator. We've covered the main interface and content generation options, prompt management for customizing your AI output, article generation and preview, the article manager for organizing your content, WordPress manager for seamless publishing, CSV upload for bulk operations, and the CSV builder for creating upload files. TSD Emulator is a powerful tool that streamlines bulk article generation while giving you complete control over content structure, quality, and publishing schedules. Whether you're creating content for multiple subdomains, managing large-scale SEO campaigns, or simply need efficient bulk article generation, TSD Emulator provides the tools and flexibility you need. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions, please reach out to our support team. Happy content creating!